Hey guys, it's the Magic Kid here, and today I am going to be showing you how to cough up cards. I still can't spread out cards. So yeah. So basically, just you just have a deck of cards like so yeah, I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, you take the cards, and then once you're putting them down, you're palming a few cards off the bottom, and then you're holding them like this so that they can't see it. And then once you want to cough them, just go like this. Have your hand right here, hold them, and then go like that. Wait, let me do more detailed. So, like this. Like, hold it like this. Come up, have your thumb right here, and then go like, move your fingers down, and then go like that. So yeah, so that is how you cough up cards. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.